Got this microwave for free. I'm going to give it to my friend. It is a mess, and I've already been trying to clean it. My hands are so greasy. Took it apart. I mean, there's grease on the board. There's grease everywhere, all up in here. So it's a free microwave. So I'm just gonna wash it. I'm gonna use LA's Totally Awesome, degrease it, let it dry, and I hope it still works. I'm just gonna dry it out, blow it out with an air gun, see what happens. Because this thing is so greasy. I mean, look at the grease. Obviously, they used the microwave without putting the screen on the bottom, which is this right here. Guaranteed, they never used it. This has got grease on it, so yes, exactly. That's exactly what happened. It's a mess. So I'm gonna clean it up. Look at the grease. Oh my God. Let's see how this works out. Obviously, I can only do what I can see. Oh, it's still screwed in. A little bit on the inside shot. The level of greasiness is they must have had I mean, this came from a house, residential. You would think it was commercial. Look at this. Like, what? This is in their lungs. They eat this. Oh, they must fry everything. Wow. Unbelievable. I'm just going to keep on doing this. Look at this. So bad. That's it. Alright, for what it's worth, this is my last rinse on this. I disconnected the fan motor and I did scrub that. But this is on the inside. You don't see it. Hopefully you don't smell any old oil. But for the most part, it's fairly clean. Inside, it's just wet. And obviously, I'm not going to use this today. I'm going to let this dry out a couple of days. I'm going to air dry it. I might even give that a quick coat of black paint just so it looks pretty. But that is the bottom side of the microwave, and you really don't see it. But we'll see how it comes out in a minute. Look at how dirty that fan is inside. Got a little help from my little heat buddy. I'm going to dry out the board in there and stuff. But for now, I'm going to clean this out. Looks a whole lot cleaner than it was before. Got all the boards clean. Less the channel where they breathe air when to cool off the boards down there is clean. Got all in here nice and clean. Fan's a lot cleaner, so it'll run and smell better as it's running because the insides will be clean. So here's the microwave that I cleaned up for my friend. Not the best, but I took apart the door to clean in between the glass. As you can see, the front looks good. I gave it a quick coat of paint on the sides. Typically, these are usually installed in cabinets, on the sides where you don't even see the sides. You have a cabinet here and a cabinet there, and there's usually a cabinet on top. So you don't even see any of this, but I did put a coat of paint on it. I did clean it. It was heavily greasy, heavily. I don't know if I can tip this back without dropping it. The bottom side, clean that up. I got to get 2 filters for it. And I don't even know if he's going to use it for over a range. He might just use it for a garage microwave. But for now, I did put a coat of paint on that. So everything is good. It works. Everything works. If you turn the fan on. Blows that right out of the way, so that works. Light works. Oh, light was on. Light works. And the, of course, the most important part, microwave works. Everything functions as should. Oh, the turntable in there too. I don't think you can see that from here. Let's put something on there. Hold on. Water bottle. Can't really see that thing turning. Well, let's see. Oh yeah, it turns. I can see it moving. Okay, it moves. So again, guys, this is it. Hopefully it's good enough. Hopefully it's good enough.